What if everything you believed about money was wrong? That's the question at the heart of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a personal finance classic by Robert Kiyosaki that's changed how millions of people think about wealth. In this video, we'll break down the book's key lessons and, more importantly, show how you can apply them to build your own financial future. Let's dive in. Robert Kiyosaki grew up with two father figures: his biological father, his poor dad, a well-educated man who valued a secure job, a good salary, and traditional success. His best friend's father, his rich dad, a high school dropout who built wealth through businesses and investments. Both dads wanted the best for Robert, but they gave him very different advice. Over time, Robert realized that following his rich dad's way of thinking led to financial freedom, while the poor dad mindset kept people stuck working for money instead of having money work for them. Lesson 1. The rich don't work for money, money works for them. Most people trade time for money. They work, they earn, they spend. But Rich Dad taught Robert, build assets that put money in your pocket, like businesses, real estate, or investments. How to apply this? Start small, set aside money each month to buy assets. That could mean investing in index funds, starting a side hustle, or saving for a rental property. Every pound you put into assets is a step toward income that doesn't depend on your job. Lesson 2. Understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. It's that simple and that powerful. How to apply this? Before you buy something big, ask yourself, will this make me money or cost me money? Focus on buying more assets and fewer liabilities dressed up as status symbols. Lesson 3. Financial education is the real secret to wealth. Rich Dad always said, the more you know about money, the more options you have. It's not just about working hard, it's about learning how money works. How to apply this? Read books, watch videos, take courses on investing, business, and finance. Learn how to manage risk, spot opportunities, and grow your income streams. The more you invest in your knowledge, the more confident you'll be making smart money moves. Lesson 4. The power of cash flow over salary. Your salary pays the bills, but cash flow builds wealth. Salary stops when you stop working. Cash flow keeps coming in, whether you're working, sleeping, or on holiday. How to apply this? Focus on building income streams that don't need your daily effort, like rental income, dividends, or royalties. Over time, these streams can replace your salary and give you true freedom. Lesson 5. Take calculated risks. Rich Dad didn't fear risks. He learned how to manage them. Playing it safe may feel comfortable, but it rarely builds wealth. How to apply this? Start small. Make your first investment. Launch that side business. Understand the risk, but don't let fear stop you. The sooner you start, the faster you learn, and the more opportunities you'll see. Final thought, it's not what you earn, it's what you keep and grow. At the end of the day, Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a mindset shift. It's not about chasing a bigger salary, it's about building assets, creating cash flow, and making your money work for you. What can you do right now? Track your income and spending. Start saving toward an asset, however small. Invest in your financial education, because knowledge compounds just like money. Subscribe to Financially Made, where we help you make money simple and take the first steps toward financial freedom.